All right, so up to this point, we've got a Coinbase account, we have a GDAX account, and they have the same login credentials. The next thing we're going to do is make a Binance account. So we can go to Binance.com, or you can use the link below in the description. It would help me out, but if you don't want to use it, just go to Binance.com. We want to register as a new user. So again, we're going to put in our email address and set up a password. And then you can put in a referral ID. So again, I'll put my referral ID down below. Feel free to use it if you want. If not, no skin off my back, that's okay. Agree to their terms and register. Then it gives you this little puzzle piece that you have to slide into place to prove that you're a human and not a computer. All right, so once again, they've sent us a confirmation email. So we're going to go back to my email account. And click the Binance email and verify my email address. Your account is active, please log in. So now we're going to hit the login button and use the credentials that the email address we just made, and the password that we just created. Then we have to once again do this little puzzle game. All right. Now this is where it gets a little complicated. Google authentication. So this is an application that you can download on your phone. So you would just go to the Google Store, type in Google Authenticator, and download that app. And I'll just show you what that looks like really quick. When you open that up, you'll see this. And what it has are codes for every account you've ever set up with Google Authenticator. And the codes change like every 10 seconds. So what you would do is you'd hit Google Authenticate right here, and you download the app, and then in the app at the bottom there's a little red plus button. You would hit that plus button, and then you get the option to enter a private key. I don't know if you can see this very well. At the bottom it says scan barcode or enter a private key. On this website we can scan the barcode. So it gives you a little scanner, and we're just going to scan on the screen, and it sets up a Binance account. So now I can see Binance, and it shows my email address at the bottom, and now I know that's the code. So you do basically just follow the instruction on screen, 1, 2, 3, and then click I've backed it up and continue. So I'm going to put in my Google code and my password, and then the app code. Okay, so I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to skip it for now because this isn't a real account for me. I'm going to close this account once I'm done recording. But this will now show you what it'll look like for you.